Today we're going to be setting up the Philips Café Aromis with LatteGo Pro 8000 series. So let's see what we have in the box. First of all, we have all of the accessories that are necessary for the function of the machine, as well as the machine itself. We're just going to take a quick moment and remove all the packaging, basically put everything, all of your basic components together, and most importantly of all, take a moment to read the manual. This will give nice, clear step-by-step instructions on how to set up the machine and how to be able to enjoy your machine for years to come with all its different features and functions. And make sure that we remove all of the tape, because those are there for protection in shipping. I want to make sure that everything's taken out so all of my parts can move freely. I'll double check the brewing unit. It will be removed for cleaning later on, but nice and easy to come in and out. All of my pieces are moving freely, which is perfect. And now let's set our language, many different languages to be chosen. We're going to put it in English for this setup. And we're just going to run through your basic setup, including the water hardness. This will determine how often your machine needs to be descaled. We'll fill the water tank with water. Prime the machine. This will fill the lines with water, getting the machine ready to be able to produce a nice cup of coffee. Now your AquaClean filter, you're going to want to get that nicely soaked before putting it into the water tank. By doing that, that prevents any air pockets and air bubbles from being present in my water line. I'm just going to introduce the water filter in here. That'll reduce mineralization as well as reduce any chlorine flavors in the water, so I can have a nice, crisp, clean cup of coffee. Now priming the machine, making sure that everything runs smoothly. To fill the beans, when choosing your beans, make sure that we're not choosing a bean that's excessively oily. But the most important thing, drink what you like. I'm going to finish answering some of the questions here on the machine. The machine basically sets itself up. All I need to do is just follow the instructions. All of my different choices with the black coffees, so many different choices. And there we go, our first espresso. Nice, rich, beautifully made with an exquisite crema on top. And now for the white coffees. We choose our white coffee. We're going to go for a cappuccino this time. A few different metrics that I can play with and change and get exactly the cappuccino that I'm looking for. Look at that, a nice, quick, easy, succulent froth with a nice rich espresso coming through. A beautiful thing, isn't it? And there we go. The Philips Café Aromis, all set up, ready to go.